Welcome back to another ReachMail tutorial. With recent changes to deliverability from major mailbox providers, authenticating your sending domain has become crucial for ensuring your email campaigns reach the inbox. Fortunately, ReachMail makes it easy to implement email authentication into your campaigns, helping improve deliverability and protect your sender reputation. To begin your sending domain authentication, you will need to navigate to the Account tab of your ReachMail account. Then to Campaign Settings. Then to Domain Authentication. Once you navigate to the Domain Authentication page, you will enter your sending domain. It is everything after the @ symbol. Once your domain is added, you will now be provided the records to add to your DNS. For SPF, we provide your current SPF record if you already have one. For DKIM, this will be a new record. So you will need to log in to your DNS provider, for example, GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once you have logged in, you will select the Add SPF Record option from your ReachMail account. And both of these records will now appear. For the SPF side, we provide your current record, as you can only have one SPF record on your domain. So you will need to edit the current record in place. You are then provided with the updated record to include ReachMail. You can use the copy button and just replace the record in your DNS by pasting this in. Once your SPF record updates, you will see the box turn green. This can take some time to propagate. So while waiting for that box to turn green, let's move to the DKIM record. This is a new TXT or text record. You will enter the host name to reflect the rmk._domain key selector. You will then again use the copy button and paste the value into the record. Note here that not all DNS providers allow enough characters to paste this all as one value. You may need to separate the pasting per your DNS provider's instructions. Just as with the SPF, once the DKIM is successfully added and propagated, the box will turn green. Your last step in authentication is the DMARC record. Once your SPF and DKIM show installed, you can enter the DMARC record. To do so, you will click the Add DMARC link here. This will open the DMARC creation wizard. Just like the SPF record, you will only be permitted one DMARC record per domain. So if you have one in place already, you will just edit the record value as you see fit. Otherwise, you will be creating a new TXT record with the host of _DMARC. To complete the value, you will first select the policy you wish to have in place. Each policy is described below to know what the policy setting means. Once you have decided on a policy, you will copy and paste the value within the TXT record box. Thank you for watching. Your domain authentication will now be ready for your campaigns. Your deliverability will thank you too. Thank you for choosing ReachMail.